as you can see, we're wrapped up today on walk 3.
Yeah.
And Mum, when I told you you've raised £560, you were couldn't wait to do the walk today, even though it's very cold. We've all got our coats on, but we set off.
I'm not cold.
Aren't you?
No.
That's because I've wrapped you up, Mum. So yeah, Rosie and Zoe went up Ashton Court cycling.
Brilliant, yeah.
You're pleased to hear, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm really pleased about that, bless their hearts.
And Rosie told me this morning they both had 2 sore arses.
What's it like having a sore arse?
Sitting on a bike for 5 miles.
Oh, I see.
We're all going to Lundy Island. We're all going across the sea. And we're gonna make a boat, and we're gonna make it float. Just you and me on the Bounty. Now we made up that song when I was about 3, I think, wasn't it?
That was right.
Sat on the beach looking at Lundy Island.
Yeah.